Now let us simplify 6 over 7 minus 3 over 4. Solution. Now remember, we still have to find the LCM of the denominators. That is LCM of 7 and 4. Now, when you consider 7 and 4, they do not have a common factor. So the LCM can be gotten by just multiplying the two numbers. So that is 7 times 4. And that will give you 28. So our LCM is 28. So 6 over 7 minus 3 over 4 will then become, now write down the LCM as your denominator. So we have 28. Now to the first fraction, we'll have 28 divided by the denominator here, which is 7. And then you multiply the result by the numerator, 6. Minus, to the second fraction, we have 28 divided by 4. Multiply that by 3. Now, 28 divided by 7 is 4. So we have 4 times 6 minus 28 divided by 4 is 7. So we have 7 times 3 over 28. Now, 4 times 6 would give us 24 minus 7 times 3 will give us 21 over 28, giving us a final answer of 3 over 28. Therefore, we conclude by saying 6 over 7 minus 3 over 4 gives us 3 over 28. And that's the solution to the problem. Thank you.